I just completed this weekend workshop called Tide Turners, and it really was a profound like discovery of these parts of myself that I was always kind of vaguely aware of but wasn't really connected to. And I really saw things about my past, my relationship with my family, my friends, that I don't owe this like debt to the world. I don't have to, build a huge business or change the world or make a ton of money. I really don't. That my life is valuable and worthy just because I'm human. And that's something that I wasn't really in touch with. And being free from all these obligations and things I felt like I had to do to sort of prove my worth and my competence, there's just this new view of life, of just the joy and the happiness and the connection that's just like all around me, that's been all around me waiting. And I just feel this incredible excitement for life and for experiencing those things. But also I know, going back to my business, now that it's not this heavy weight, I can play. I can just have fun with it. I can have fun with the people on my team, and really use the work as an excuse to grow and to laugh and to learn and to support each other, which is really all I care about in the first place, is having a group of people around me that I love and that sees me, and that together we can create something beautiful and unique. And that's what I got out of the weekend.